Turning your engine 11J86 engine turn. Engine is turning good. We turn the engine by a booster because we don't have these special tools to turn the pulley. Yeah? And the compressor here is good, no damage, no broken, no problem. Power steering pump, no problem, very nice. And the water pipe here, this is it's okay, I think it's okay, no problem, no orange pipe. Very nice, very good. And from this side everything is good, didn't see any damages. Gearbox, no problem. On top, didn't see any damages, all good. Same as well the starter, very nice. And the turbo here also good, no problem, didn't see any damages from outside here. And the turbo is good, it's spinning good, and no up and down. Yeah, it's good. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken, and the engine is turning good.